necessarily have to be transformed in political sense for the course of their history and the needs of their inhabitants are required. Some governors have realized this truth and, impelled by their patriotism, have been trying to introduce needs for reform in order to forestall events, but notwithstanding all that have been ordered up to present time, they have produced instant result for government as well as for the country. Even those that promises only a happy issue have at times caused injury for the simple reason that they have been based upon unstable grounds. Sa una ko na panahon, ang Pilipinas is under control lang ng mga Spanish. So si Rizal, gahimo iyan ng laws na inayakig argues yaan to para sa mga kautawa na mataga ng freedom. Kay Philippines guide before ginakuan lamang himuon lang ng mga kuan lamang ng mga taga-Espanyol. Kumbaga himuon lamang sira ng mga alila lang sira before. So si Rizal gahimo gid ng laws to argues na gusto na i-fight ang kanato Philippines na para aron kanato freedom. Yagkuan si Rizal na yakig bisugay diana para ang kanato Pilipinas mataganang freedom. So bisan hain niyan yakig dugo kumbaga kung yakig kuan na iya sa taas para matagan kibali ng permission para makahimo iyan ng loto para matagan ng freedom ang kanato lugar before. So ang mga kautawan tungod kay gina-argue ra ni Rizal para magka-freedom ang mga kautawan. So yakig bisog isab sila na para diri sila ma-control ng mga taga-Espanyol. So maski isab sila murag aronday kaniran lakas ng loob to namulaban sila na sa mga Espanyol. Kay si Rizal gi-argue ra na mo-publish daya anang kuan freedom. So sa una ang Philippines bisan pakig-argues na before pakig-argue na ang pakiglaban to para mataga ng lona para sa kanato freedom. Grabe gid agaw harmful and on the delay meaningful solution they criticize colonial administrator for prioritizing self-interest over the country needs. So mas kuan na kanaan kaugalingon para sa kanato country before mura nang wala danaan kuan ang kanaan kaugalingon sa kanaan kaugalingon safety para lang sa kanato Pilipinas. Living of Philippines hungry for true freedom and reform. So, kay ang kanato sa unang kuan ang kanato country sa una is mura nang gutom gayad sa freedom. Waray ang need gayad sa una ng mga tawan is inherited rights for civilization. Matagan kita ng rights. Ari kanato rights, kanato justice, meritocracy, transparency og fair representation para dili da sila mahadok sa Espanyol.
Good evening, everyone. My topic is part 4. History does not record in its annals any lasting domination exercised by one people over another of different race of diverse usage and custom of opposite and divergent ideas. Ang annal is mao ni siya ang mga historical record or ma-record sa event nga yearly nga nagkasunod-sunod. One of the longest domination was that one of the Moors in Spain, which lasted 7 centuries. But even though the conquerors lived in the country, gradually emerged like a little island in the midst of the great Saracen in addition, and in spite of the chivalrous spirit, the gallantry, and the religious tolerate of the caliphs, they were finally driven out after bloody and stubborn conflicts, which formed the Spanish nation and created the Spain of the 15th and the 16th century. So ang isa sa pinakataas og domination is ang Moors sa Espanya na tumagal ng 7 siglo. Domination means paghahari. Hatred and resentment on one side, mistrust and anger on the other way finally result in a violent and terrible collision, especially when there exist elements interested in having disturbance so that they may get something and excitement, demonstrate their might, power, foster limitation and recrimination, or employ violent measure. So hatred o resentment is mao ni siya mga hinanakit nimo or mga sama ng loob. Then ang mistrust is or anger is ang pagkawala sa imong salig or kalagot. Din kani sila magresulta jud ni siya kanang mga kakilakilabot na panghitabo tungod sa imong anger. If the Philippines secured their independence after heroic and stubborn conflict, they can rest assured that neither England, nor Germany, nor Europe, and still less Holland will dare to take up what Spain has been unable to hold. England has enough colonies in the Orient and is not going to rest losing her balance. So diri kung na-secure sa Pilipinas after the heroic of stubborn conflict is ma-assure gyud sa England, German ug France na di nagyud lakas loob sa nakuhaon ng ang di na kaya sa European. So ang heroic ug stubborn conflicts means magigiting or mga gahig. Whereas the great American Republic whose interest life of the Pacific and no hand is spoliation of Africa may someday dream of foreign possession. This is not impossible. For the example, is contagious and ambition are among the strongest vice, and Horizon manifested something of their sort in a salmon question. So dagan gyud na mga bagay na moabot then mulabay or pass within something like 100 years. Very likely the Philippines well defined with an inexpressible valor that liberty secured at the price of the much blood and sacrifice within the new man that will spring from the soil and will recollection of their past they will perhaps strive enter freely upon the wide road of progress and will labor together to strengthen their fatherland both internal with the same with which a youth falls again to tilling the land of his ancestor so long wasted and abandoned through the neglect of who have waited in from him. Therefore we refit, and we will ever repeat while there is time that it is better to keep peace with the desire of a people than to give way before them to the former beggars sympathy and love. The latter contempt and anger since it is necessary to grant 6 million Filipinos their rights so that they may be in fact Spaniard let the government grants rights freely and spontaneous without damaging reservation without irritating mistrust. So therefore Dili jud maayo ang mga hatag dayon sa tag-iya pagsalig sa tao nga mga stranger tapos wala damha or tuyua. Kay tungod something this is better to keep peace. Peace means bilis sa imong desire sa tao than to give way for him kaysa maghatag dayon ka sa iyag tubangan.